Every year we say, can we make it bigger? Can it become more competitive? Can the audiences get bigger? But when we say Asia's biggest fight promotion, we are absolutely sure about that. Aisha and Krishna, I know you all are beaming from inside. Some words before we go straight into the action.
Thank you, Salil. Thank you everybody for showing up and for the support. This is a dream come true for us to see this kind of crowd at MMA in India. Thank you for supporting MFN and for supporting fighters.
Krishna, we're expecting thousands and thousands. When people say thousands, this is, I think, the most packed house before the start of any MFN ever. You must be like incredibly excited. Huge matchups today. Are you also a little nervous about how the night's going to go?
I'm not nervous at all, honestly. I'm excited. And it's all thanks to you guys for turning up and showing up all the time. We put on these shows as often as possible for all of you, for this love, this recognition, and this support. So thank you guys so much for coming out. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much.
The ladies in black are ready. The fighters are ready behind the scenes. The commentators are ready. MFN 14 is ready. So let's get the show on the road. Over to the comms and let's kick things off. Now can we cue to the AV please? Can we play the audio visual?
Congratulations all the fighters in the Matrix fighter.
देखिए इनका रियल एक्शन इन द रिंग और बड़े मियां छोटे मियां का एक्शन ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन.
Watch out for बड़े मियां छोटे मियां this year अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ भी.
Introduce the blue corner, her weight 47.90 kilograms, representing Himachal Pradesh, give it up for Denton Bhima! And her opponent fighting out of the red corner, she weighed in at 48.8 kilograms, representing the Trump. Make some noise for Ishika
Kini kalore the pouch di dwe jura kugop ji rai juro ni ngalungi thomas ni fight ke accept chi ra ani di da nyam do ani training nanglo la ra de la kalore di nanglo le ke che nyan ji liver de damage hari ine di ke ni simply che chi me simply che ma che chi nga pe ba kugop ji rai du da represent che kugop ji rai du la ni ani di sa ni ge di dinangla liver nanglo la ragyo dani dela injury chagyo jora on the DJ khalsamnu che ma tang chani ring nang li an din shirang kranski ngal kep kep awo chesu ngananglo ziwa da kranski khalore thashe din zu kyang ni shini ngape ngara pe proud chesu ya lo chu do su thanda bodo match che ni wa thanda bodo inde 고급 represent 제 고급라요 말아 아니 다들 라소 아니 디상만 데 credit 아니 그런 상말라 두기 아니 닝 타고 있는 두지낭 아니 저만이네 그런 상말라 support 제기 라와이 아니 저만이네 nga딜레라 strong 사제 디시디시 고르기레 아니 strong 사시니 고니 컴백 제이 아니 그런 상말레 제닝갈라 겹게낭로낭 페결로 long live the
Beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and the mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where I was down but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down but now I'm up. I was down but now I'm
जब भी हिम्मत टूटे तो एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, चाहे कोई आपके साथ हो या ना हो, पर ईश्वर आपके साथ है और हमेशा रहेगा।